Hi there. In this video, we will talk about equation of tangent line. When they are asking for writing the equation of a tangent line, what they are asking for literally to find the slope and then find the equation. So what I have to do first, I need to see whether they have given us x and y coordinates. And the another thing, from these coordinates, I will find the slope. But how to find the slope? Because they are talking about the tangent line, that means slope is nothing but derivative at given value. Right? Because if slope, one more thing, if a slope of a tangent line, right? So for tangent line, if slope is 0, that means it is nothing but a horizontal line. Right? And to write the equation of a tangent line or equation of any line, we need to understand that what is the slope intercept form. You have done this in algebra 1, but just a refresher again, mini lesson again. Y is equal to mx plus b. Right? M is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Now that being said, let's try to solve question number 3 from KutaSoftware. Okay, so let's try to solve question number 3, but before you solve, understand what they are asking for. In this particular question, they are asking for equation of the secant line that intersects the given point on a function, and also the equation of the tangent line at the leftmost given point. Okay, so we have done equation of the secant line earlier, but let's start with the secant line. To find the secant line, what we have to do to find the slope? Okay, let's quickly do secant line. These are open intervals, right? So that means this is x1, y1, x2, y2. We have the points. We can find the slope. So slope will be 7/4 minus 2, 1/2 minus 1. If you solve the whole entire thing, you will get -1/2, solving the fractions. Now I have the slope. I need to write the equation of a secant line. I will start with the point slope intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus b, and I will take any point. So let's take point -1 and 2. Let's plug everything back in this equation. Y is 2, slope we just got -1/2, and x is 1. If I solve it quickly, adding 1/2 both sides, no, it will not be adding because it's -1. So subtracting 1/2 both sides, I will get b as 3/2. We have b as 3/2. Let's put it in the equation and write our equation. So y is equal to -1/2 x plus 3/2. This is the equation of the secant line. Done. One thing checked. Now let's find out equation of the tangent line at the leftmost given point. What is the leftmost given point? The leftmost given point is this one. So first thing first, let's find out what is the derivative of the function. Because if we know the derivative, we can find the slope of this tangent line. So the derivative would be, throw the n down, n minus 1, then we have this. Now they want the leftmost point. Leftmost point is -1 and 2. Let's evaluate. F of x, it will define the slope when x is -1. Slope would be -1. We have a slope right there. So the first thing, you need a slope. We have a slope. Now equation. Let's put in the equation of tangent line. Step by step. Don't rush. Don't try to do all the calculations in your head. Write it down. Y is equal to mx plus b. We will take the same point, -1 and 2, and we will plug it back. Y is 2. Slope, we got -1. X is -1 again, and then we can find b. If you solve it, you will get b is equal to 2. How? Because 2 is equal to -1 times -1 is +1. So b is nothing but 2. We have b. Let's try and write down in the equation. Y would be, slope is right there, -1, and b is right there as 2. The same thing that you have learned in Algebra 1. This is what they are asking for. Happy chappy answer. Slope. With the slope, how to find the slope? Finding the derivative at a given point, putting it in the slope-intercept form. So this is the equation of tangent line, and this is the equation of the secant line. I hope it makes sense.